Hello, students. I hope you all are having a wonderful time with your family and studying carefully also. So, today, here I am with another new topic, that is a collage. Students, a collage means assembling different colors, textures, shapes, and materials to create a new concept. Okay. There are many types of collage art that anyone from childhood to adulthood can do. This is the image of the two artists, Braque and Picasso. Children, the term collage comes from the French word color, autoglue. The movement itself emerged under the artist's name Braque and Picasso, who began working with various mediums to create innovative collections around 1910. So let's see the different types of collage. The first one is the photo collage. These are the most popular types of collage. They are put together to use of photos and sticking them to one surface. This can be created in so many ways. You may decide you want to cut out the faces only or use nature photos. There is no limit to what you can do. Second one is magazine collage. These are made from random things in magazine. They can be cut out and stuck on the common surface. Next is a fabric collage. The fabric can be cut into different shapes and stuck down on the surface. Like this fabric collage you can make. Okay, one example I have given here. Next one, the paint collage. It is the easiest type. Paint collage is to paint another sheet of paper with colors dye. But only one color when painting with a sheet. You have to spread the color. So you can get these three different shapes of that color and let's it dry. Once dried, you can cut the paper into any size you wish and glue with down with surface. Next is a collage with wood, means wood collage. Here you can use different types of wood rather than the other mediums to create your piece. The next is digital collage. It is exactly the same thing as any other picture collage, except no, there is no real hands for working. This is all done with electronic devices. Next is deco pages. This is the technique of using cutouts of paper, linoleum, plastic or other flat materials, gluing them on the surface and covering them with the varnish. Next is the three-dimensional collage, means 3D collage art is placing 3D items on a surface and creating something new. You can see in the picture 3D item. Some items that can be used are rocks, beads, coins, buttons, sticks, new and old objects. Like this you can make, yes or no? See, I have given some examples here. Next also you can make like this with the help of buttons. Next one is the rainbow fish collage. Here not only fish but one can make any shapes from fruits to animals to vegetables, types of transports, etc. Yes or no? Things needed: a white card paper, sketch pens, colorful craft paper, glue, scissors, etc. The next one is the family tree collage. Here you can draw a tree and paste pictures of your family members. You can see here. The last and not the least is the leaf collage. In this, you can use different dried and fresh leaves. Yes, and prepare the collage like this. Students, I have introduced you all the different shapes, types of collage. Now let's have a look to what is given in the textbook. In this collage, we can see the information about a great person. Who is he? Swami Vivekananda. He is a great youth inspiration. He was the biggest philosopher. So we will study about him in this lesson. We will get idea from this lesson that how to make a collage. And remember, it is an activity you can use A4 size page to make like this collage. What you have to do? You have to paste a photo of that personality about whom you are preparing a collage. So let's start. See, you can paste this picture anywhere of the page. Then you can start with the description of that personality. Understood? It is general. See here first. It is information is given about Swami Vivekananda. A collage. Swami Vivekananda, born Narendra Datta, was a great personality who made the world aware of the greatness of Indian philosophy. At the Parliament of Worlds of Religions, he began his speech with sisters and brothers of America. At these words, he received a 2-minute standing ovation. He emphasizes the importance of selflessness and service to mankind. He is regarded as a patriotic saint. Everyone was too glad and happy. Why? Because he said in his speech that sisters and brothers of America. Understood? And see, in this paragraph, a general description of that person is given. This is you can write in your own words also. Okay, and here philosophy means system of beliefs, and a standing ovation means enthusiastic clapping by an audience. Next one is thought is given. Rise, awake and stop not until the goal is reached. Again one thought is given. Talk to yourself at least once in a day. Otherwise you may miss a meeting with an excellent person in the world. Again one. Take up one idea. Make that one idea your life. Think of it. Dream of it. Live on that idea. Let the brain, muscles, nerves, every part of your body be full of that idea, and just leave every other idea alone. This is the way to success. Like these thoughts are given. Next one is see. Fill the brain with high thoughts, highest ideas. Place them day and night before you, and out of that will come great work. Next one is, whatever you think that you will be. If you think yourself weak, weak you will be. If you think yourself strong, strong you will be. No? Such great thoughts you can collect like this. It is a very wonderful collage, and I have given before which type of collage you can make. You can take ideas also from there, and you can paste pictures and make like this collage also. Understood?